Swar FM 99.9.
This is what I have to do before each race, so need to reduce chafing, so just taping up. That should do it. We're down here at the 2014 Mud Run. Paul Matthews, myself, we've got the outside broadcast happening. I've come dressed as the chairman of the board. Obviously got to represent here at the Swar FM live broadcast here. We've got the promotions table here. But you know what, we're going to get down and dirty. Hope you all enjoy. I do have to get back on air later today, but you know what, we've got to get through 7 kilometres of mud. How are we going to do it, Paul?
I'm going to get as muddy as quickly as possible.
Yeah, I agree.
I'll be back here. You'll see me when I get back down around.
Yeah,
the idea is that it's a mud run. You should get fast.
Yeah.
We've done it, 7 kilometres. You reckon it was longer or shorter than it was last year, Johnny?
I think it was a bit, this year, I don't know, it felt shorter, but I'll tell you what, doing it in the chairman's uniform was very hard. I mean, it did get quite heavy.
You carried an extra couple of kilos.
Yeah, I know. I must apologise to the board. I'm sorry for showing up in this state. I'll tell you what, we like to get our hands dirty here at Swar FM on the board, so there's no lie about it. Look at Paul here, myself, knee deep in it.
This is the mud chair. Come and sit down on the mud chair.
Oh, look at that.
So that's how it sounds.
Well, we're signing off here from the Swar FM live broadcast here at the 2014 Mud Run.
Free beer!
Oh yeah!
But I don't drink beer!
So I'll have a beer.
I'll get something out.
Swar FM 99.9.